Hi everyone, welcome to today's class. The topic is articles. English has two main articles, the and a or an. The is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. A or an are used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. We call the definite article and a or an the indefinite article. If I say, let's read the book, I mean a specific book. If I say, let's read a book, I mean any book rather than a specific book. Here's another way to explain it. The is used to refer to a specific or particular member of a group. I just saw the most popular movie of the year. There are many movies, but only one particular movie is the most popular. Therefore, we use the. A or an are used to refer to a non-specific or non-particular member of the group. I would like to go see a movie. Here, we're not talking about a specific movie. We're talking about any movie. There are many movies, and I want to see any movie. I don't have a specific one in mind. Using a or an depends on the sound that begins the next word. Use a with a noun beginning with a consonant sound. A boy, a car, a dog. A user, a university, a unicycle, all start with a U sound, which is similar to a consonant sound. User. So we use a. Use an with a noun beginning with a vowel sound. An elephant, an apple, an orphan. Words with a silent H are pronounced with the vowel first. An hour, an honor, an honest boy. Remember that these rules also apply when you use acronyms. A NATO spokesperson. Another case where this rule applies is when acronyms start with consonant letters but have vowel sounds. An NGO. NGO is pronounced with an E sound. NGO. So we use an. If the noun is modified by an adjective, the article depends on the initial sound of the adjective that immediately follows the article. An egg can become a broken egg. A problem can become an unusual problem. The definite article is used before singular and plural nouns when the noun is specific. The signals that the noun is definite, that it refers to a particular member of a group. The dog that bit me ran away. Here, we're talking about a specific dog, the dog that bit me. I was happy to see the policeman who saved my cat. Here, we're talking about a particular policeman. The can be used with non-count nouns, or it can be omitted entirely. I love to sail over the water, meaning some specific body of water. Or, I love to sail over water, meaning any water. He spilled the milk all over the floor. This is referring to some specific milk, perhaps the milk you bought earlier that day. Or you can say, he spilled milk all over the floor. Again, referring to any milk. Notice that with non-count nouns, there is no use for a or an. A or an can be used only with count nouns. I need a bottle of water. I need a new glass of milk. So here are examples of situations when we do not use articles. For names of streets, names of cities, towns, or states, names of continents, for lakes and bays, mountains, countries or territories, and islands. You can use articles for names of rivers, oceans and seas, points on the globe, geographical areas, deserts, forests, gulfs, and peninsulas. Some common types of nouns that don't take an article are names of languages and nationalities, names of sports, and names of academic subjects. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, please visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.